showed you how to make a table when you have a graph. We're going to try doing the opposite now. Some values of the function g are given in the table. Which of the following equation defines g? So if you hit the plus button here, I can go to table and put in the values they gave us here. So -2, 1, 0, -7, 1, -5, 2, 1, and 3, 11. So I can plug my answer choices in and see which one goes through those points. But there's another feature on Desmos where if I hit this, when I have a table, I hit this where it says add regression. And when I have a line here, you can see it doesn't come close to going through those points. And if I zoom out a little bit, I could see that the points look more like a parabola. So if I change this to quadratic regression, it's gonna, the points hit exactly. It's gonna give you the equation right here, 2x squared minus 7. So D is the correct answer.